Supercharge your story. Harnessing dialogue to drive your plot. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of creative writing, using dialogue to advance the plot. In storytelling, every word matters, and dialogue is a powerful tool that can help develop characters, set the mood, and most importantly, move your story forward. So, let's get started. When we think of dialogue, we usually imagine two or more characters talking. But dialogue is more than just conversation. It is an essential tool that writers use to reveal character traits, build tension, and drive the plot forward. Without meaningful dialogue, your story may feel flat or directionless. Remember, in a well-written story, dialogue isn't random chatter. It always has a purpose. This is why you often see advice like, every line of dialogue should do something, in writing guides. Now that we understand the role of dialogue, let's dive deeper into how it can advance the plot. Here are some ways dialogue can help to move your story forward. 1. Reveal critical information. Characters can share vital information or secrets that push the story in a new direction. Example: I discovered a map in the attic, it leads to a hidden treasure. 2. Highlight character's decision. Dialogue can show when a character makes an important decision, which affects the course of events. Example: I've made up my mind. I'm leaving this town tomorrow. 3. Cause conflict. Characters' disagreements can lead to conflict, which propels the plot. Example: I won't let you risk your life for this. It's too dangerous. 4. Foreshadow future events. Characters can hint at events that will happen later, creating suspense. Example: something feels off about this place, like we're being watched. 5. Resolve conflict or wrap up the story. Dialogue can help bring a resolution or provide a satisfying ending. Example: you've been a good friend, and I'll always cherish our adventures. In each case, the dialogue isn't merely chit-chat, it's actively propelling the story forward. So, how do we write effective dialogue that moves the story along? Here are a few tips. 1. Keep it relevant. Make sure your dialogue relates to the plot. Irrelevant chatter can distract readers and slow down your story. 2. Show, don't tell. Use dialogue to show character actions and reactions, rather than just telling the audience what happens. 3. Use subtext. Characters often say one thing and mean another. Using subtext can make your dialogue more realistic and engaging. 4. Avoid info dumping. Delivering all the story information in one lengthy dialogue can be overwhelming. Spread information throughout the dialogue naturally. Remember, practicing these tips and studying how your favorite authors use dialogue will help you enhance your skills. That's all for today. We've learned that dialogue is more than just conversation. It's a crucial tool for revealing character traits and advancing your plot. By keeping your dialogue relevant, using subtext, and avoiding info dumping, you can create engaging and effective dialogue that will captivate your readers. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and above all, keep writing. You have a story to tell, and the world is eager to hear it. Happy writing, everyone!